Xiaomi 14 Pro. This is the latest phone of Xiaomi that was launched today. This phone comes with a lot of features. The first features is come with 120 watt wireless charging 50 and so on. And this phone comes with Snapdragon Gen 3, Snapdragon H Gen 3. That is the latest processor that we have in smartphones. And this phone comes with different colors like black, white, pink, green, and titanium. So let's start with the color. The first color is black. Like you see, this is black color, and this is green, and the third is pink, and the fourth is white, and the last is titanium, like iPhone 15. And the here is the thickness and the width, and so on. And this phone is waterproof, IP68, and comes with Android 14, HyperOS version 1. Then it comes with Leica camera and comes with 3 different storage, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 TB. So let's talk about the price. The price of CNY, what that is China and in USD, and the Nigerian money, and the last of this video. Thank you.